Hey YouTube, it's me again with another video today, and this video is going to be the second Zombocalypse video. And if you saw my last video, I did very good, and I'm going to try to do very good again, obviously. And after that, not only did I gain 2 levels, but I earned a new weapon, Riot Shield, and my shotgun and assault rifle leveled up. Plus, I got a new hat, so I'm gonna have a different hat than last time. And because that last time actually got me all this stuff. See? You're gonna see? See, I didn't look like this. And this is what happened. And that was because of last time. Oh, okay.
Sniper gun.
Pretty laggy. What? Why is it so laggy? Why are you always lagging?
Assault rifle.
Pistol.
Pistol.
It's pretty laggy. It's gonna work. It's gonna work out. See? Riot Shield right there.
Riot Shield.
What the? I'm pressing space. Why won't it work? I'm lagging. Why is it so laggy?
Missile strike inbound.
Ugh. Trying to get to the pistol, because I want the pistol. The riot shield's okay, it's not as good as the pistol. It's pretty laggy.
Pistol.
No. No.
Sniper gun. Sniper gun.
Let's go! Oh, no.
Sniper gun.
No! No.
Chopper gun locked and loaded, providing cover fire.
You gotta love. Oh, dang. Yeah, back off. I want my pistol. Technically, not my pistol. Back off. God, you know what?
Assault rifle.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be an M16. Obviously.
Sniper gun. Sniper gun.
Yes!
Chopper gun locked and loaded. Letting cover fire.
That's amazing. Don't get near me. I don't care that you are.
Sniper gun. Pistol. Dual pistol. Shotgun.
Yes!
Chopper gun locked and loaded. Providing cover.
No. Don't get near me, huh? Ah, this is doing good. Sniper.
Sniper gun.
Don't get near me! Ah.
Riot shield.
No. Back off.
Missile strike inbound.
Attack! Oh my god. my pistol. Huh.
Dual pistols.
Back off from me, zombie. Ow! Ah, cut my hand. Cut my knee. No, 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 no! No! That's right.
Shotgun.
Yes! I got in time. Oh no. Not the... No. God, no, 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 no. Die! No, 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 no! No!
Missile strike inbound.
Ah! Clutch! 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 Why can't I health bar? Something I like one. I need clutch. No! Back off. Die. Die.
Missile strike inbound.
You can't kill me. Oh, no. Back off. Back off. Back off. I want my sniper. I don't care what you are. I don't care if you're zombie or not. I want my sniper.
Sniper gun.
Probably.
Missile strike inbound.
Yes! I'm barely living, but it's good enough.
Sniper gun.
Two zombies. You can't touch me, zombies. I don't care what you say. I don't care if you think you can. I don't care if you can't. You just. Oh yes!
Sniper gun.
Yes. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Trick shot, Bill.
Airstrike on the way.
Nope. You can't touch this.
Pistol.
Right when I get 700 kills, I'm gonna just say that, like, that's all. And then at the end, you're gonna see. Oh well, you're gonna. That's all. And you guys are going to see at the end how it ended off, like how many kills I got. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a like.
Airstrike on the way.
And well, see you guys later. Like, well, this is where I left off, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can leave a like, and see you guys later.